Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the Foz back out onto the street. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty, guys. By the looks of it, looks like everything is ready to go and to get back out onto the street. However, we do need to get this mesh siliconed in onto the surrounds. So we need to pop those two out and do that. And then we need to charge up the laptop. So let's wind this window down, plug the laptop in through the window. She's nearly ready. Wow. She's nearly flat. What did I do? Could have been the fuel pump? No, it can't be. That's not a relay. Anyway, something is draining the battery. So we'll chuck the charger on. So I'll put the charger on and get this window down so I can charge the laptop. And disconnect the battery, let it charge up. I was hoping to get the Foz out tomorrow, but by the looks of it, it won't be until Friday. So at least it'll give it time to, the mesh to dry, so that's okay. Got to work out what's draining it. Could be the wiring for the gauges, so I'll have to put them onto a separate circuit. I know one of you guys said I need to do that. So I've got to work out all the wiring soon, clean it all up, get rid of some. So that'll be coming up shortly, guys. Actually, I haven't started the Foz for a while. Be over a week or so. Oh, it just happens to be when I put everything back in as well. Damn it. Alrighty, got it on charge. Windows down. Let's put the laptop on charge. And we'll go finish off the grills at the front. Alright guys, got the covers out. So all I'm going to do is run a bead of silicone around there and smush it down. And hopefully it stays. Put a bit of weight onto the back side of it. So it's nice and good. Hopefully that holds. So apparently this sealant is sandable and paintable. Got a big plug coming out. It's very hard. Damn it. Alrighty boys, this side looks a lot neater than that one. This one also fitted a lot better, so I don't need to put any weight on it. This one I do, and that just looks like junk. So hopefully it holds. It should do, and we'll get them back in tomorrow. And the battery should be charged by tomorrow, and we'll get out onto the roads. So no restrictions of where you can go. Well, 25k still here in Melbourne, but time-wise, doesn't matter. So I could go out and go for a drive and do some logging. So I'll do that tomorrow night, which will be 2 seconds for you guys. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. So we've got the battery on charge. It's been on charge today for a few hours now. And these are set. I did end up putting something on there to weigh it down. So I'll pop them back in. I want to see if I can just check if there's oil in the line past the one-way valve. And yeah, and then check the oil level, and then I'll put water in it yesterday, and we'll get it warmed up and we'll head out for a drive. We're going to head over to my parents' place and actually pick up the red bonnet. It's got a little bit of damage, which is a bit annoying, but that was my own fault. Just fell over in the garage. Anyways, let's get to it. So I tried to undo it, got the clamp off, but I couldn't actually get it off the one-way valve. So whatever. I'll just leave that for now. Need to do the gaskets soon, boys. Yeah, check the oil. Get it started. Gonna bring the Skyline through. Just park it over here. So I'll probably be driving this tomorrow to work. Friday at work. So I'm gonna have to pull all the kids' seats out and put it in here when I get back from my parents with the bonnet. It's a bit of a late one tonight, but we'll do some logging as well. All right, oil is good. It'll just need to be changed shortly in the next week or so. I reckon I'll do an oil change on it. See how we're traveling. Probably next week I'll do that. Hopefully we don't have anything in the oil when it comes out. Yeah, it's warming her up. Alrighty boys, heading over to go get the bonnet. It's weird just having one gauge here. Just in drive. Sorry about the squeaking tailgate, guys. It's really annoying, I know. It's the longest drive she's had for a while. It's 9:15 at the moment. Anybody out? Anybody want to play? Probably not. Just going for a cruise. I see how it sounds with the exhaust open and behind the car, but just cruising. That's alright. Might do it. A little bit of a check engine light. All right, got the red bonnet in the back. head home. No silly driving now with the hood in there. Oh, maybe we'll do some more logging. Start up. Oh boys, there's a red bonnet, a bit rough. That's where it fell. A few dents in it, just like the rest of the car. Kept the black one on. Gonna drive the car tomorrow, and we'll go from there. I'll get this out though. Alrighty guys, so she went pretty good. We went to the petrol station. I think like 25 litres or something into it, $40, and yeah, running pretty good. Got the kids seats in there now, so I'm going to drive it tomorrow, and I'll pick them up from my parents and from Crash in this. So we'll see. I'm just going to be putting along. No shenanigans in it. Might be some shenanigans in it tomorrow. The boys from work, so I'm gonna see what the check engine light was. However, I'm actually going to get into the logs probably next episode, guys. There is quite a bit there to go through. Yeah, I'll just see what the check engine is. Most likely the boost. Yeah, did a little rip up here from the train tracks up, and we've got to like 25, 26 psi. Seems good. Did smell a bit funny when I came in here, but actually it was from the wet soil out there. But anyway, she's dirty. Might give her a wash at work tomorrow. Alright, it was a camshaft positioning sensor. So, haven't had that pop up before. So I just cleared it. I'll just cruise around tomorrow and see how it is. If it does pop up, then we'll investigate. But yeah, I think it's on this side. But yeah, I think I might call it a night. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this build and shenanigans that is gonna go on soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.